Hey guys, so this is the Infiniti Pro Conair Ionic Steam Flat Iron, and I bought this flat iron to see how well it will straighten my thick, beautiful hair. And it basically operates through steam, so the attachment to it, you just put water in there and attach it right back to the flat iron, and it will go ahead and get hot through the steam. So you can also adjust the temperature on it, and I adjusted mine to about 419, and then I think I went higher. You can adjust how powerful you want the steam to be, and you could also adjust it to a high or low setting depending on how thick your hair is. And it also has some combs inside of the flat iron that can be adjusted. So here we go. See how well it flat irons my nice thick hair. So this is the results of what the Infiniti Pro did to my hair, and it basically just gave it life. It looks bouncy, it looks healthy, and I'm happy with the result. It didn't get it bone straight, but that's okay. I like my hair to look like it has life in it. And I recommend this to anyone that's looking for a different type of flat iron. Thanks for watching. See you next time.